Tropical Storm Debby has wreaked havoc in North Carolina following its second U.S. landfall, unleashing a deadly tornado and severe flooding. The storm's powerful winds spawned a tornado that claimed lives and caused extensive damage to homes and infrastructure. Meanwhile, relentless rainfall led to life-threatening flooding, with water levels rising rapidly and submerging roads, properties, and critical services. Emergency responders are working tirelessly to assist affected residents, conduct rescues, and mitigate damage. The impact of Debby's dual assault highlights the destructive potential of tropical storms and underscores the urgent need for preparedness in the face of extreme weather events. As recovery efforts begin, communities are left grappling with the aftermath of this devastating storm.